Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Product. If you have ever been stuck in a storm with no power and no way to know what is happening outside, you know how scary it is. Finding the best solar hand crank radio is one of the most important steps for any home safety kit. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the NOAA Solar Hand Crank Radio, you can see right away that this is much more than just a simple music player. It is actually a powerful all-in-one emergency communication and survival device. It was designed specifically to keep you informed, connected, and safe during those really critical situations like hurricanes, tornadoes, or even just long power outages. The main goal of the NOAA Solar Hand Crank Radio is to make sure you always have access to weather updates and some extra power exactly when you need it most. One of the most impressive parts of this radio is the advanced Auto NOAA Alert system. This system is constantly working in the background to monitor all 7 of the NOAA weather bands. If the system detects severe weather or any kind of hazardous conditions heading your way, it does not just wait for you to turn it on. Instead, it instantly activates a very loud siren and a flashing red alert light. The great thing is that this happens even if the radio is in standby mode. This automatic warning system is a total lifesaver because it ensures you never miss a vital update even if you are asleep or busy doing something else when an unexpected storm hits. It gives you those precious extra minutes to get your family to safety. Power reliability is another area where the NOAA Solar Hand Crank Radio really stands out from other emergency gear. It comes with a massive 120,000 mAh high-capacity battery. To give you an idea of how big that is, it is much larger than what you find in most standard portable chargers. To make sure that battery stays full, the device supports a 6-way power supply system. You can charge it using a standard AC adapter or a USB input when your home power is working fine. But if the grid goes down, you still have options. You can use the built-in hand crank to generate your own electricity, or you can set it in the sun to use the solar charging panel. If you have some spare AAA batteries lying around, you can pop those in too. Between the hand crank, solar, and the built-in rechargeable battery, this multi-source design guarantees the radio will keep working even when you are totally off the grid for days. You can also easily check how much juice you have left just by looking at the large LCD display. Using the radio is very simple and intuitive for anyone in the family. It features a large LCD digital screen that clearly shows you the time, the radio frequency, your battery status, and any alert notifications. Unlike old-fashioned radios where you have to turn a dial and hope you find a clear signal, the NOAA Solar Hand Crank Radio uses a precision digital tuning system. It has an auto-scan functionality that makes it incredibly easy to find AM, FM, and even shortwave stations quickly and accurately. This means you can get local news, music, or international broadcasts without any frustrating static. You also get a 16-level volume adjustment so you can make it loud enough for a whole room or use the 3.5mm headphone jack for some private listening if you need to stay quiet and listen closely. Beyond just being a radio, this is a fantastic outdoor utility tool. It has a high-brightness 3 watts flashlight built right into the side. This provides a very strong beam of light that is perfect for navigating through a dark house or walking outside at night. If you are stuck inside and want to read a book or look at a map, there is also a 2.5 watts warm reading lamp. This lamp gives off a much softer and wider light that is more comfortable for your eyes during long periods of use. And if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need immediate help, the radio has a built-in SOS alarm. When you activate it, it emits a very loud signal and a flashing Morse code beacon to attract attention from emergency workers or neighbors. The design of the NOAA Solar Hand Crank Radio is compact but very durable. It is built to be tough enough for outdoor use, like camping or hiking, but it is also small enough to fit easily in a closet or a survival kit. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold onto, and the buttons are easy to operate even if you are in low light conditions. It really is a dependable companion that is designed to keep you powered and informed no matter what is happening with the weather. It is one of those things you hope you never have to use, but you will be so glad you have it when the time comes. Being prepared is the best way to keep your family safe. Check the price link in the description to see more details about this emergency tool. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more gear to help you stay ready. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one.